Happy New Year! How are you all? Christmas was very interesting, so I was coughing and sneezing. So, anyways, I got these as my Christmas gift from my sweetheart, my dear husband. I've been looking for these things for a while. I love making fried rice for my cooking class and different things, like when people make orders and stuff. So I've been looking for a wok, a good wok, and so I got this wok. I'm excited to use it. And then for those of you who came to my cooking class end of the year, we made pea soup, and I was telling some of the students that I needed an immersion blender. I have different kinds of blenders, but I was looking for an immersion blender, so I got one. And then I love toast, and this is a sandwich maker. I'm actually going to use these two today, but yeah, now I have them. So let's see. Let me just get into them really quickly. I opened, to peek, but I'm opening with you now, okay? Yeah, I want to make some sandwich. So I don't like breakfast usually, but a good old toast I love. So here we go. It's Master Chef. That's a brand, and I think it takes 2 loaves, 2 slices. So I'm going to plug it in, make sure it works. There's the instructions, but I think I'll be okay for now. I don't need to read the instructions, but I'm going to plug it, make sure the light comes on, and then we'll move on to the immersion blender. My fave. I'm actually going to, the light's on. Can you see the lights on? So we're going to use it. I'm going to clean it up, and then we'll use it for toast. That is, so you see my vegetables. I'm going to make something to put in there to make a sandwich with my sandwich maker. So cool. The lights came on. Now let's check the immersion blender. It's not just it's an immersion blender with a whisk. So perfect. I can make my soups and my body butters and hair butters. So, and the whisk mainly for my matcha. I love matcha or hot cocoa if you make your hot chocolate. But yeah, this I didn't get in at all. So, really cool. Let's put this box down here so I can have some space. And that's the whisk for my matcha. Matcha. Okay. And then this is for the, for blending things. Like when you make soups and stuff and you want it to be smooth, instead of pouring it into the blender like how I used to do, just put this whisk in here, and then it will, immersion blender in, and it will do the job for me. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to make some creamy soups soon. Okay, let's plug this guy in and hear a sound, and then I'll go make my sandwich thing, something to put inside my sandwich, and then we'll use the sandwich maker. Okay, before I plug this guy in, let's just find out. Always read your directions, okay? But I'm not going to do it. Oh, it's here. See, there's a key there. So there, and click. There we go. It's locked, I think. No, there. It's in. Let's plug it in and see. I'm gonna give it a little whisk. Ooh, I guess safety here. Safety stuff. So let me just cut this off. By the way, this thing is amazing. Pampered Chef, I got it from. Oh my god, it helps me with my fish bones. When I'm cooking, I want to chop things off. It cuts through bones. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm just plugging it in, and we'll give this a try. Okay, so there's an on and off button here. I think those are speeds actually. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I'm the one. Oh boy. I don't know how big. Oh, wait, okay, it goes in here. Oh, I'm excited. So excited. Let's try this, okay? Ja, why not? I hope I didn't make a mess. There, see? All right, now I'm going to try the whisk. So, should I? Maybe to be on the safer side, let me just unplug it before putting the whisk on. I don't want any interesting stuff. Okay. So, okay, and click. Okay, good. Plug it in. Okay, Mr. Man, stay here. And that's what I'm going to be using for my matcha. We are in business. What? I love this. So stay tuned. I'm going to start cooking and then we'll make the sandwiches. And guess what? You can just set it down like this when you're not using it. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. All right. See you later. Thank you for watching.